Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about circles in chapter 10. Next exercise. Angle subtended by an arc of a circle. So see this figure here. PQ, arc PQ is minor arc. So angle subtended by minor arc at the center is angle POQ. Clear? And RQP is the major arc, and angle subtended by the major arc will be reflex angle POQ, means reflex of angle POQ. Clear? Now theorem related to angle subtended by an arc. Angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. There are three conditions. Consider the three different cases. Arc PQ is minor, arc PQ is semicircle, and arc PQ is major. Clear? So first figure represent arc PQ is minor, arc PQ is semicircle. Second figure and figure third, arc PQ is major. Now see here. Arc PQ is minor, arc PQ is semicircle, arc PQ is minor, here arc PQ is semicircle, and here arc PQ is major. Clear? So for all conditions we can prove this theorem. According to this theorem, angle subtended by an arc, see the first figure, angle subtended by the arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. Clear? So now angle subtended by an arc at the center is this one, and angle subtended by it at the remaining part of a circle is this angle. So according to this theorem, angle POQ will be equal to 2 into angle PAQ according to this theorem. Clear? Angle POQ will be equal to 2 into angle PAQ. Now see, you can prove it in triangle AOP. In triangle AOP, angle OAP will be equal to angle OPB, because OA is equal to OP, and we know that angle opposites to equal sides are equal. Clear? So OA is equal to OP because both are radii. Now similarly, so you can write it angle OAP is equal to angle OPA. Clear? Because OA is equal to OP, radii of the circle. Similarly, in this triangle, in triangle AOQ, see here, this angle will be equal to this one, because OA is equal to OQ, radii. Clear? And also this angle will be equal to this angle plus this angle, because exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior . Yes, in triangle AOP, clear? In triangle AOP, this angle means angle POB will be equal to angle OPA plus angle OAP. Clear? Because exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. We know that. And OAP is equal to OPA. We know that. So we can write it angle POB is equal to twice of angle OAP. You can write it because OPA is equal to OAP. Clear? Similarly, in this triangle, in triangle OAQ, you can prove this angle will be equal to this plus this. You can you know that exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So this angle will be equal to this plus this, and this angle is equal to this one. So this angle will be twice of this angle. So you can write angle BOQ will be equal to twice of angle BAQ. Clear? Now this angle is twice of this one and this angle is twice of this one. So angle POQ will be twice of angle PAO plus twice of angle QAO, and 2 common, then PAO plus QAO, and PAO and QAO is equal to PAQ. So we can prove angle POQ is equal to twice of angle PAQ. Clear? Now see here, given an arc, we have to prove angle POQ is equal to twice of angle PAQ. Now consider the 3 different cases. RPQ is major, RPQ is a semicircle, RPQ is major, RPQ is minor, RPQ is semicircle, and RPQ is major. Now in all the cases, angle BOQ is equal to CAQ plus AQO, because exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. We know that. And in triangle OAQ, OA will be equal to OQ because radii, so opposite angle will also be equal. So angle BOQ will be equal to twice of CAQ, because here we have to put OAQ in place of OQA. Clear? Because BOQ is equal to COQ plus OAQ, and OAQ is equal to OQA. Clear? So QAO is equal to OQA. So put OAQ in place of AQ, O or OQA. Clear? So this will be equal to twice. Similarly, angle BOP will be twice of angle OAP. Now adding both, then BOP plus BOQ will be 2 into itna, 2 twice of angle OAP plus angle OAQ, and angle OAP plus angle OAQ is equal to angle PAQ. So we can prove it, angle POQ is equal to twice of angle PAQ. Clear? Now next theorem, angle in the same segment of a circle are equal. Angle in same segment. This angle and this angle are two angles in same segment. Clear? So according to this theorem, this angle will be equal to this one. Clear? So we can say that according to this theorem, angle in the same segment of a circle are equal. Now cyclic quadrilateral. So a quadrilateral is called cyclic if all the four vertices of it lie on a circle. Means ABCD is a quadrilateral and its all vertices, means vertex A, vertex B, vertex C and vertex D, all four vertices lie on a circle. So we can say that quadrilateral ABCD is an cyclic quadrilateral. Clear? Now next theorem, the sum of either pair of opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. According to this theorem, suppose ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So according to this theorem, angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 and angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Clear? Now next theorem, the sum of a pair of opposite angles of is 180 degree, then quadrilateral is cyclic. So this theorem is converse of previous theorem. According to this theorem, if ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, so according to this theorem, if angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree and angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree, then ABCD will be a cyclic quadrilateral. Clear? Now see the example. Here ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral in which AC and BD are its diagonal. If angle DBC is equal to 55 degree and angle BAC is equal to 45 degree, then find angle BCD. So see here, angle DBC is equal to 55 degree. Angle DBC means this one. This angle is 55 degree and angle BAC is equal to 45 degree. Angle BAC means this angle is 45 degree. Clear? Now we have to find angle BCD. BCD means this one. Clear? We have to find angle BCD. Now see here, this portion we have to find angle BCD. So angle CAD is equal to angle DBC is equal to 45. Angle CAD, this angle will be equal to this one. Angle in same segment, so will be equal to 55 degree because angle DBC is equal to 55 degree given. Angle DBC is 55, so angle CAD will be 55. Angle in same segment. Clear? Similarly, angle BAC is equal to 45. Angle BAC means this angle is 45. So now see here, angle DAB. DAB means this angle. This angle will be equal to angle CAD, this angle, plus angle BAC, this angle. Clear? So this angle CAD is equal to 55 and angle BAC is equal to 45. So 55 plus 45 is equal to 100 degree. Clear? See it again. Here angle DBC, this angle is given 55 degree. So this angle will also be 55 because angle in same segment. And angle BAC means this angle is given 45 degree. Clear? So angle DAB, angle BCD we have to find. So angle DAB will be equal to 55 plus 45. Clear? 45 plus 55 will be equal to 100 degree. So angle BAD is equal to 100 degree. Clear? And sum of opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. So DAB plus BCD is equal to 180 degree. So angle BCD is equal to 180 degree minus 100 is equal to 80 degree. Clear? Now see next example. In this figure, three points on a circle A, B, C are 3 points on the circle with center O such that angle BOC is equal to 30 degree and angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. If D is a point on the circle other than the arc ABC, find angle ADC. So here we have to find angle ADC. This angle we have to find. Clear? Now angle AOC is equal to 30 degree plus 60 degree. So angle AOC is equal to 90 degree. Clear? 90 degree. Now angle ADC will be equal to half of angle AOC, because we know that angle subtended at the center is double the angle subtended at the remaining part of the circle. Clear? So this angle will be double of this one, so this angle will be half of angle AOC. So angle ADC will be half of angle AOC. So therefore angle ADC will be angle ADC will be 1 by 2 into 90 degree is equal to 45 degree. Clear? Now next example, here in figure PQR, angle PQR is equal to 100 degree, where PQ and R are points on a circle with center O. Find angle QPR. Here this angle is 100 degree given. We have to find angle we have to find angle Q. So in this question we have to find angle OPR. OPR means OPR, this angle we have to find. Clear? Now see here, angle reflects angle POR will be equal to 2 into 100 degree, means 200 degree. This angle will be 200 degree because we know that angle subtended at the center is double the angle subtended at the remaining part. Clear? So this angle will be 200 degree. Now angle, because reflex angle is 200 degree, this angle is 200 degree, so angle POR will be equal to 360 degree minus 200 degree is equal to 160 degree. Clear? So angle POR is equal to 160 degree. Now OP in triangle POR, in triangle POR, OP is equal to OR radii, and we know that opposite angles are equal, opposite sides are equal, then opposite angle will also be equal, means angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So this angle will be equal to this one. Clear? And this angle is 160, so angle OPR will be 10 degree. Clear? Because in triangle, by angle sum property, angle POR plus angle OPR plus angle ORP is equal to 180 degree. Clear? POR is 160, so write here 160 plus ORP and OPR are equal, so write angle OPR in place of ORP, so twice of OPR is equal to 180 degree. So twice of OPR is equal to twice of angle OPR will be equal to 180 degree minus 160 degree. We can say that twice of angle OPR is equal to 20 degree. So angle OPR will be 20 degree upon 2 is equal to 10 degree. Clear, students? Now see next example. In this figure, angle ABC is 69. This angle is 69, and angle ACB means this angle is 31 given. We have to find angle BDC. This angle we have to find. Clear? So in triangle BAC, in triangle BAC, angle BAC will be equal to 180 minus 69 angle BAC is equal to 180 degree minus in triangle BAC, in triangle BAC, this one, in triangle BAC. Clear? This angle plus this angle plus this angle will be 180 degree by angle sum property of a triangle. So angle BAC will be equal to 180 degree minus 69 plus 31, so is equal to 180 minus 100 will be 80 degree. Clear? So angle BAC is equal to 80 degree. So angle BDC will be equal to angle BAC. This angle will be equal to this one because angle in same segment are equal. So angle BDC will be equal to 80 degree. Clear, students? So you have to solve the questions related to this topic. Okay, students.